Christmas is just around the corner. We are in October now. We got November, then December. Well, I did make some sorrel because I did have a little bit of sorrel leave inside of my cupboard, and I say, you know what, I need to make a little sorrel to show the fans up, to give them a little tips of what's going on. Well, right over here, this is the sorrel right here. Pour it in my glass. When I make my sorrel, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for it to chill for a good 24 hours. Really chill good. Christmas sorrel drink, if you need it, guys, you need to request it early. Please write a comments if you need a sorrel drink for Christmas, for it to start to process, make it, get the wine, get some rum inside of it, and the ginger, because it's gonna be sorrel, ginger and rum, and we're gonna make it a nice lovely Christmas drink. One time a year we come to the family, come together, celebrate, have a wonderful time, have a nice drink, have a nice Christmas rum fruit cake. And also I'm gonna give you tips how to cut your veg, how to cut your potato, and also how to roast all your turkey for Christmas. If you don't eat turkey, you can eat chicken. I will give you the recipe for that also in a different way. So, as you can see, all the drink looking nice. Ginger, we got some lemon for decoration, and also I got the sorrel, but I did use it to make this one, and there was some dry sorrel I did use. You can get the fresh one if you go to the market in Jamaica. You normally can grow it in the back garden and get some lovely fresh sorrel and make yourself a nice drink. Well, I'm out of Jamaica at the moment, so after this, go to the shop, get some dry one. You can use a dry one. You can go to the big wholesaler, the big food shops them, are buy some of the green one and make yourself some nice sorrel drink also. Well, guys, hopefully you will see right here looking lovely and nice, and I have the recipe for this drink, guys. You're gonna get the recipe. Please put your comments below and we will know where we stand. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Remember, you cannot give kids if you put rum inside of it. It's gonna be too strong for kids. So before you put rum in it, take out a little bit for your kids then, if they do like it, and then you put the rum in it for others. So enjoy the drink when I give you the recipe. Thank you very much.